Yo, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlogs, and as always I appreciate all the love and support. In today's video, it's going to be a good one. I've been waiting for this part to show up. It showed up a couple of days later than I was expecting, but I'm just excited that I finally got it, and we're finally going to change that out to match the back of the car. Let's go. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna change out the third brake light that's on the car on my 2018 Camaro Zl1, aka Superman. Right now, I do have the clear tail lights that are from Morimoto, and I really like these tail lights, but I wanted to make sure that being that these are cleared out back here, I wanted to have this third brake light cleared out, and actually I have it back here. And what I purchased was the OEM original Zl1 1Le third brake light. It's going to have a piece of tape right here in the back. Once you pop that one off and get it out, then you're going to go ahead and at the end, when you're getting ready to pop this in, take this off and then apply that pressure when you're putting it on. Now, some of the videos that I've seen online, a lot of people, what they're doing is they're popping this cap off right here, taking these little tabs off, getting access to the back here, and there's a screw up here that's a T15. Once you remove that out, which is going to be for these clips right here, once you remove the screws out, I'm going to remove both of these and see if that helps, because it'll take away tension, and that way I can try to push out the old one. And as soon as I get the old one to come out, then this one is just literally going to plug in the harness right here and just pop it on, and then we should be good to go. So what I do have with me, I do have my T15 Torx right here, and this, so that way I can pop out those clips there, those pop-in clips or whatever they're called, push-in tabs, I don't know what they're called. But so the first step is, what you want to do is pop this piece off, then get to these all around, and this whole carpet right here should remove, and then you'll have access to that third brake light. So let me get the camera closer so that way you guys can see exactly what I'm talking about. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is I'm going to use this tool to try to pop this out right here first, and it should just come out without any force, just like that. That one is out. And then what we're gonna do is these tabs right here, we're gonna pop each one of them off, and I should have access to remove this entire thing right here. So I'm gonna start with this one right here in the corner. Okay, so as we remove this, we want to make sure we tuck this through. Get this wire through here. And there you go. All right, now we got to get to those two bolts that are up here that are two T15 Torx. So let me grab the ratchet. All right, now moment of truth. I'll try to pop this out. There's one. There's two. Let's try the good old driver license. Try to loosen up some of this glue that's in here. Driver license. So it already loosened it up a little bit right here in this corner, so I'm gonna see if I can push it out. And there you go. This side came out. Work your way around. Boom. It is off, baby. Driver license comes through clutch. Came off. So all you got to do, it has this white little clip right here. Just got to pull back on it, back down that way, just enough, and then just pull back and it'll release it. So, guess it's weird that that's how they did it. You got all this old residue and glue. So some people use glue guns, some people use erasers. I have a pencil eraser. I don't have a full eraser, but I'm gonna try that with a pencil. All right, so now what we're gonna do, like I said, I only got an eraser here on my pencil. So we're gonna attempt to see if this will actually do it. Surprisingly, it is. All right, so I pretty much got all of it off, as much as I can get. It'll be just fine. I pretty much got 98% of it off, maybe almost 99, but that'll do for now. So what we're gonna do is just reverse the process. Pop that in. Make sure you're gonna point this upwards. The wire is tucked in properly. Don't want to pinch it. Yep. And if I push this, this should just snap right in. So we're gonna push this in with a microfiber towel. Hang on one second. Make sure it's sealed nice and proper. There is no gap, so no water goes in there. That looks way better. All right, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna test this light and make sure that when I hit the brakes, they actually come on. So I'm not gonna close it all the way, but I will move you guys over so we can see. Hopefully you guys are seeing this from back there as I hit the brakes. It should be coming on. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and put everything back in reverse and just pop everything back in, and then we should be all set to go. I did want to share this with you guys because I was excited to make sure that it all matched on the back of the car. So now it all does, and I feel way more comfortable with that setup now. In the meantime though, there's still definitely some more stuff coming for Superman, for my Zl1, and I can't wait to share with you guys. Plus, I'm trying to figure out how I can set up these track days so that way we can take the car to the track. I know it's starting to get hotter as it is, so I don't know how many people actually go around this time of the year, but if I gotta wait till it cools down a little bit, then we'll get some other videos that I already have pre-planned for you guys. And I can't wait for you guys to see those because there's some experimental videos that are going to be real fun. But if it's your first time on the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below. A thumbs up definitely helps out the channel. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you guys think. Do you guys like that process? Do you guys like the way that looks now? Because I really enjoyed sharing that with you guys, man. But in the meantime, between time, you guys know the drill. A Dilla, bow, Superman right there behind me. Prep time right over there on the left. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.